those bricks come from? Where was they at?
From the middle. They came from. Oh, where did they pick them up from?
Yeah, I mean, where were they?
Probably from the center. Because I've been here. This is my 7th time.
Huh. They must have been inside the building, huh?
What bricks you talking about?
Regular block.
Cave in that way, huh?
Bricks.
This.
Bricks.
This.
Yeah, like this there.
It's like those ones around over there, but
Yeah. Just three down.
I just asked them the one you brought.
how you not work tonight?
Oh yeah?
I don't think it's got any wording on it or anything. It's
No.
just a
Nice.
red brick. They used to make bricks right down on River Street at one time. A long time ago.
Trying to line up some other shit.
She said one had
Streeter
Streeter
Brick Company.
Brick Company. That's way down by Star Rock, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're talking from 1925. They were making a lot of bricks.
Yeah, because I think they started building this in 22.
They had to have, because it was, I think it was finished in 24.
28, wasn't it?
No, it was 1924.
24?
They built this building in 2 years? I don't. Back then?
I don't write that stuff. Yeah, they probably have 5,000 people out here, but the whole
Look
thing.
how long it must have took them to build the trains.
I don't think there was cars back then, right? They were still using horses and wagons.
Yep, they were. They were indeed.
Mules.
I just don't understand how they got all that steel
Yeah.
there and how they
Yeah,
got
I
all those
couldn't either.
holes drilled in.
Yeah.
You see all the rivets
Right.
in that steel over there? My
That's
God.
that's like trying to figure out how they built the pyramids.
Yeah, no
How'd they get them
kidding.
damn stones up there.
You're so funny.
Thousands of people just rope them up.
Yeah, you see, each one of those is a block and knock that thing down.
I think he's gonna. Oh, he's got his foot down. Everybody, he's got that. That
can't-
trusty shoes as a hook.
He ain't gonna move that very much and that's gonna fall. Yeah, come on.
We got it, we got it. Somebody count to 3.
What? Oh. Good job, good job. You're talking about them steel beams, man. Well, when they built the Lincoln Hotel, how in the hell did they get them beams up there? That high.
That's about the same time this one was.
Yeah, Lincoln, 26. The Aurora Hotel was built in 6. They started building it in 26. The Lincoln.
This is 22. To me, that's the same time.
Yeah. Well, how'd they get them beams up the top then? Tell us, then it's that helicopter, huh?
Yeah, right.
Uh-oh, there it goes. There it goes. Oh, no! Oh!
There goes the house.
Holy shit. That piece still ain't gone off of there.
Yeah, no
He
kidding.
may go by the time he gets back up there, though. Holy smokes.
right?
Yeah, this guy, he's just too good. He takes all the fun out.
Yeah, right.
Wanted to go in the house.
That piece on the end, just hanging. Just imagine if they had to take that down by hand. Probably put a gas station there.
Yeah, well, it'll be haunted. Whoever decides to get the property.
It's gonna be grass.
Haunted grass.
Yeah.
Don't step on the grass.
Put up a kids park for the kids.
That's a nice spot.
Look what they done to the old West Side. I didn't get a brick out of that place either.
Yeah, it looks nice over there.
I went there.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. I went from Mary Todd to I went there in junior high. Then I went out to the West Side. And I went to Katie Waldo, the peace guy, when I went there.
Right. Right. After the new one.
No, I never got to the new one. I knew everything, so I figured, why go? Yeah.
That's one good way to look at it.
My first job I had when I quit school was National Brush out on Illinois Avenue. The building's gone now. $1.04 an hour. I worked for the Beacon News, and I went here. There it goes now. There we go. Come on, I'm gonna go home. Then he hits that thing, it's gonna.
He's doing it.
He's not gonna hit any of it. He's gonna grab hold of the parts and pull it towards him.
All them pieces just waiting to fall up there. Black cement steel here. Oh, wait.
A lot of good.
Yeah, right.
Halloween. Oh, boy. It's spooky. Yeah, it got cold quick.
I showed him that I got photos of, you know, after they got the front entrance. There is that big theater room.
Yep.
Yeah, I got pictures of it.
Oh.
The stairs and everything.
When they were taking it down.
Yeah, so it looked like a tour building with this huge roof.
Yeah.
I got it, I think, 2 or 3 days after the fire, and then I've been coming back. So, yeah.
I was here every day last week watching.
Oh, yeah.
Sitting in my truck though.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't get out until they started getting to the top there. That guy's really good with that machine.
Yeah, but that crack, you see it? On the bottom of those up there?
Yeah.
That's been going like this since we've been standing here. That crack up there.
Bigger?
Yeah.
Well, that's what I said.
Longer.
By the time he comes back over there, that might be gone. There's a lot of pressure on those things now with that split like that.
Yeah.
The center of gravity is not where it's supposed to be anymore. So he could be working in the front and all of a sudden one of those two ends is just going to fall down. But that's what they want to do.
Whoa.
He wants to clean that up and then we might come back and get that. I can't imagine him leaving that up there like that tonight.
And that's insane. If you look in that window, you know, that the ghost open,
Yep.
you can still see a doorway in there.
Yep. Yep, there's something over there.
I'm afraid if I move, I'll lose the back of the building.
Yeah, that's what I've been kind of waiting to see go down, so that's why I'm staying here. I like to watch it from the front too, but right now the
Yeah, right.
field is that back part. I've been watching them clean up there goes, you got the floor. Yeah. Can't be the floor because there's a huge beam across there. And that's when it's straightening everything